Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening OBS and focusing on the audio mixer. This is where you'll diagnose problems. First, select each source, microphone, desktop audio, virtual inputs, and confirm the correct device is assigned. Once done, mute all but one channel to hear it in isolation, because that quickly reveals whether levels or routing caused the issue. Make sure device sample rates match your sound card, and check that Windows or Mac OS isn't blocking access, since mismatched rates or permissions often break the signal path. Next, you dial in levels and routing so audio is both audible and clean. Lower or raise gain with the fader until peaks sit around -12 to -6 dB. That prevents clipping while leaving headroom. Then open source properties to confirm the active device and set monitoring to monitor off, monitor only, or monitor and output, depending on whether you want local playback. If background noise or uneven dynamics persist, add filters, noise suppression, a gain filter, or a compressor to shape the signal before it hits the stream. To finish, you perform final checks and a controlled restart so changes take effect. Stop streaming, restart OBS, and run a short local recording to confirm levels, monitor behavior, and sync with video. Adjust sync offset if audio leads or lags. Make sure plugins or virtual audio cables aren't stealing audio. Disable them temporarily. If problems remain, reinstall or update your audio drivers, or reset OBS settings as a last resort. This often clears corrupted configs and restores the mixer to proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.